Hello, everyone. Lightning strike, one of the most powerful and dangerous natural phenomena on the planet. In today's video, let's watch the moments of lightning carrying the terrible power of Mother Nature, recorded by cameras around the world. When it rains and there is thunder and lightning, many people stay away from metal objects and seek shelter in places that can cover the whole body. For example, a place like a tree. But this is wrong. When there is thunder and lightning, it is best to crouch down and hide in a safe place like a building or a car. But trees are not safe places, because trees often collect lightning. The footage was recorded by a dashcam on a highway in the Chelyabinsk region. In bad weather, a lightning bolt strikes just a few centimeters away from a passenger car. The loud bang and sparks scared everyone around. When a car is struck by lightning, the people inside are usually safe because the design of the car works on the same principle as a Faraday cage. The metal shell of the car helps the electricity from the lightning strike to pass through the human body, but instead is conducted through the outer shell and then to the ground. This protects the passengers inside from the direct effects of electricity. However, you should still avoid touching metal surfaces while in the car during a thunderstorm. Footage shows the moment a car was struck by lightning during a storm in the Midwestern state of Iowa, USA. Storm chaser Christopher Risk was driving in Gilmore, Iowa on April 12th when he accidentally recorded a bolt of lightning striking his friend's Toyota Prius. Lightning can travel at speeds of nearly 100,000 kilometers per second. since lightning is the movement of electrically charged particles, but the image of lightning is created by a glowing plasma stream. It can be seen before the sound is heard, because the sound only travels at a speed of 1,235 kilometers per hour in normal air conditions, while light travels at 299,792 kilometers per second. A man holding a phone was filming the city after a rainstorm from his balcony, when he suddenly captured a terrifying moment. A lightning bolt struck the house where he was standing, just a few meters away from where he was standing. The bright flash and loud bang made viewers' hearts stop. Lightning usually finds the shortest path to the ground, so it often strikes tall, pointed, good conductors such as electric poles, lamp posts, tall buildings, and television towers, especially if tall and located in an open area. When lightning strikes a tree, the current that passes through the tree can be as high as 30,000 amperes or more, with a voltage of about 100 million volts. The tremendous force of the lightning will cause the water in the tree trunk to evaporate instantly, creating great pressure that can cause the tree trunk to explode, split open, or burn. The current can spread through the roots, soil, and surrounding air, posing a danger to people or animals standing nearby. Lightning is not only a magnificent natural phenomenon, but also a reminder of the great power of nature. Each flash of lightning is a moment of both majesty and danger, leaving us in awe. through impressive images around the world. We hope you have felt the mysterious beauty of lightning and are more aware of protecting your safety during storms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to discover more amazing natural phenomena.